Teach him to make something you may not have seen before. Huge capacity handbag with 9 pockets. Come and do it together. Length 46, width 34 centimeters. 1 piece of watch. Inside. First we fold the fabric in half. Draw a 3 by 2.5 rectangle and cut it out. The same goes for the inside. After cutting, we put it aside for later use. This is the outer pocket. Width 34, length 15 centimeters. 2 tablets. 2 slices of rib. We're going to start with the pockets. Face the watch cloth to the inside. Put it on and off the car. Both slices are the same. When you're done, flip it over to the front. After the car number, we turn it over to the front. Iron it. Both tablets are the same method. After both pieces are ironed, take out our bags. 1.5 centimeters up from this edge. Fix it like this. And it works exactly the same way here. After the car number, we move it from the middle to the line. Another method of the same. After the pocket is numbered, we have 2 pockets divided here, and I gave him a 4 and 4 on this side. After the 4 and buckle is fixed, we will fold the bag body in half, so the car's on both sides. After the car number on both sides, and we're going to open the corner directly like this. A sewing. After both corners are done, we flip it to the front. Set aside for later use. Let's make a zipper pocket on the inside. Length 30, width 26 centimeters. This will put him in the car. Then open it after this side car number. And you fold it like this. Put this side also on the car the same way. Zipper on both sides and then turn to the front. Turned it over, it looked like this. Fix these sides. After both sides are fixed, we will put them aside for backup. Take out our insides below and the pocket cloth on our insides. Fold it in half. After folding it in half, leave the car directly here. Flip both are the same method. This is what it looks like when it's done. Then we move it 1.5 centimeters up the side. Nail this pocket. In this car. When in the car, the bottom flap is sealed together. After the car number, we're also putting a line in the middle here. This is 2 pockets separated. The same method on the other side. Now on our side, there are 2 pockets. Seal this place here. And you can drop a pen. It's a big pocket. After it is done, put the zipper pocket we just made. Put him here. 1.5 centimeters up, make a mark. This will put him in the car. It's the same on our other side. Pull it directly to the car like this. Do it the same way here. After the titles on both sides, we pull the corner directly over and seal it like this. In this way, after our inner sum number, this is what it looks like. We'll put it aside for later use. Next, set the strap on. The strap length is 23. The width before doing it was 10 centimeters. I made this in advance. Get to the center point. The center point is 4 centimeters on each side to set the strap on. After our bag straps are fixed, we put the bags face to face in livery. Tidy up the bag mouth, so go directly around the car. Where this machine comes with a bag belt, after 6 layers, it is also easy to pass, no problem. After the car number, turn it out through the flap we left behind. Turn it over and seal our seal on it. Bauco direct 0.5 open line on the car. So our bags are ready. This is a large capacity bag. There are 9 pockets.